the detailed mechanics of it is, I think, there are very few people that understand it better than me. Bitcoin is an interesting example, obviously the prime mover on this, but the transaction volume of Bitcoin is low, and the cost per transaction is high. It is, at least at its base level, suitable for maybe an exchange, a store of value. But fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency.
Right.
Even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions.
Why is that?
The total transaction flow that you can do with Dogecoin is substantially more than, like, transactions per day is much higher than, has much higher potential than Bitcoin. It is slightly inflationary, but that inflationary number is a fixed number as opposed to a percentage.
Right.
So that means over time, its percentage inflation actually decreases. And that's actually good because it encourages people to spend and rather than sort of hoard it as a store of value.
Elon Musk and Doge/crypto. The financial marketing strategy. What happened to my crypto lately? Cryptocurrency prices have been going on a wild ride, and a lot of it has to do with Elon Musk. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO has a lot to say about cryptocurrencies, often on Twitter. While Musk is not the only thing impacting crypto prices, one thing is clear when he tweets about cryptocurrencies. It can move markets, and that power is unparalleled. But before that, hello and welcome to MoneyIQ. Join our channel by hitting subscribe and clicking the bell icon to be updated on our new uploads.
Dogecoin can really be the next currency for the world?
Well, I mean, there's currently a poll to say, what do you want?
I want it to go. I'm in.
All right. So then, I mean, I think it should be the will of the people, you know? I mean, first of all, I think people should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency, to be clear. I think that's unwise.
If nothing up to this moment tipped you off, we find ourselves in a bit of an odd place when it comes to the markets. If the bubbly nature of the market around all things tech isn't worrisome enough, we now have Elon Musk, CEO of an S&P 500 company, as one of the more prominent individuals acting as a market whisperer on Twitter. We'll look at this interesting development and what it means for investors. Here's how Musk amassed such influence over cryptocurrencies and why some experts are raising alarms to understand just how influential Musk can be. Take a look here on May 12th. Bitcoin was continuing on a downward trend. Running off of an all-time high, the month before 5 p.m., the cryptocurrency was hovering around $55,000. And then at 6:06 p.m., this happened. Musk tweeted that his electric vehicle company, Tesla, would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment due to concern over rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions. After the tweet went out, the price of Bitcoin plunged more than 5%, losing around $150 billion by the end of the day. After that, you did have a lot of people who were really upset with Elon Musk. Caitlin Ostroff, who has been following Musk's influence on the crypto market for the Wall Street Journal, says that there's been speculation that a lot of the selling after Elon's tweet was because retail traders weren't used to the high volatility. They suddenly got nervous that they were going to lose profits, and so they were replying to him on Twitter and they were saying, you know, you just cost me X thousands of dollars because all of a sudden my investment portfolio was $5,000 and now it's worth maybe $4. But it hasn't just been Bitcoin. Musk has tweeted about other cryptocurrencies as well. Take the once joke crypto Dogecoin, and it keeps climbing. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency nearly doubling over the past week alone. Ahead of Elon Musk's appearance on SNL early on May 8th, before Musk was slated to host an episode of Saturday Night Live, Dogecoin was trading around $0.73. Investors had been pumping money into the cryptocurrency based on speculation that it could finally reach $1, but that didn't happen. During a skit he performed in the guise of a financial expert, the self-proclaimed Dogefather jokingly explained what Dogecoin is. By the time the episode ended, the price of the crypto had plummeted around 30%. That comment alone rattled the confidence that people had that Dogecoin could keep pushing higher, and people took profits all of a sudden and it sold off. But then 2 weeks later, Musk tweeted a picture of Shiba Inu on $1 with the question, how much is that Doge in the window? Following his tweet, the price spiked. Dogecoin, unlike Bitcoin, doesn't really have an investment case, and that means that Dogecoin is really just a cryptocurrency built on memes. The only reason it has any value at all at the moment is because Elon Musk first started caring about it, and then Snoop Dogg started caring about it. And then all of these other rappers and celebrities started tweeting about Dogecoin. Well, these are the two of the most recent examples of Musk influencing crypto. There are many more, and there are other forces at play that have allowed Musk to amass the influence he has on crypto. Over the last year, there has been a flood of new retail investors, largely driven by the rise in no-fee trading apps like Robinhood. Meltem Demirors, an executive at the asset management firm CoinShares, says that no-fee trading apps have increased the popularity of crypto because people can access more types of assets on the same platform. It's also made really illiquid. All assets are subject to ups and downs, but as you can see from the big swings on the chart, crypto is especially volatile. All of a sudden, Elon has a mind of people knowing this isn't going up the straight line. It does come down, and when it does, it can be fast. These market swings can have a very real impact on retail investors. But for some, the risk is worth it because there's no fundamentals. It makes it really hard to try and figure out where the floor is, like where the fair value and where the sell-off should stop when it happens. And so you inherently wind up having a much more volatile market, which is what appeals to some investors for this. Like, they don't want the steady returns of the S&P where they have to wait 30 years to get where they want to be. They want to get these fast, sharp returns. Some experts think that Musk's influence on Bitcoin may be waning, but for now, his tweets continue to send shockwaves through the crypto market. A cheeky like and subscription will be very much appreciated if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time right here on the Money IQ. Bye-bye.